Hello friends, myself Chirag. Today I am going to discuss with you optimal page replacement algorithm, topic of computer organization and architecture, and also the topic of operating system. First of all, why we need to use page replacement algorithm? Page replacement algorithm are needed to decide which page to be replaced when new page comes in main memory. For example, if any of the page required by processor during the execution of program but page is not available, at that time new page comes from secondary memory to main memory. So at that time main memory is full. So how can we replace old page by a new page? It is decided by page replacement algorithm. Now see the definition of page fault. A page fault occurs when a program attempt to access a block of memory. For example, one of the program execution is going on and processor want to access data from the main memory, or we can say processor wants to access page from the main memory and page is not available inside the physical memory. So this is called page fault. Different page replacement algorithms are first in first out, least recently used, and optimal page replacement algorithm. Today we are going to discuss optimal page replacement algorithm. FIFO and LRU page replacement algorithm videos are available in my channel. So what is the importance of page replacement algorithm, or we can say target of all this algorithm is to reduce the number of page faults during the program executions. Now let us see optimal page replacement algorithm. If there is new page arrives and page frame has empty slots, then page will be stored directly in page frame. So this is the initial scenario in the memory when program execution is going on. So we can say page frame is empty or any of the slot is empty. Second one, if referred page is already present, increment hit count. So no need to take page from the secondary memory to main memory. If referred page is not present, so find if a page that is never referenced in future. If such a page exists, replace this page with a new page. For example, I am giving to one example to you. There is 3 pages available inside the page frame and there is no further space. P1, P2 and P3 is already stored. P4 comes. Now check from P1, P2, P3 any of the page will be used in future or not. If P1 is not used in the future, so P4 replaced P1. If no such page exists, find a page that is referenced farthest in future. Replace this page with new page. For example, there are 3 pages available and page frame are full. P1, P2, P3 are inside the page frame. P4 comes. Now check which one is never used in future. Now check remaining pages and we will during the check or during the verification we find all the pages are comes in future. So how can we replace? So replace by farthest in the future. So which will come farthest? Replace this page with new page. This algorithm result in fewest number of page faults, but this algorithm is impossible to implement. So we can say that practically it is impossible. Example, there are few strings, few page numbers are available and the page frame size is 3. Find number of page fault using optimal page replacement algorithm. Now see, this is the solution of this optimal page replacement algorithm. This is the time slots 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and this is page, different page is given over here. It is accessed by processor during the program execution. Now in first time slot you can see over here this is P2. So neglect this star, it is not used. Blue color indicates current inserted page. Now P2 is inserted because page frame is empty. Second one is P3. Now you can see over here P3 is inserted. So why P3 is blue color? Because it is currently inserted page, because page frame is empty. In both the first two initial scenario, page is not available, so we can there is page miss, or we can say there is page fault in page frame. Now at third time slot P2 is come and P2 is already available, so it is called page hit. Fourth one P1. So now you can check there is one empty slot is available in page frame, so P1 is directly stored at third place, and so we can say it is page miss because page P1 is not available. Now check P5 and check over here, all the slots are full. So P5, which one replaced by P5? Now check in future. So we have to check after P5. Next is P2 will become. So we will not replace P2. Next P4, P5 and P3 will be over here. So we will not replace P3, and P1 is not used in the future. So we will replace P1 by P5. So now you can check P1 is replaced by P5. Again it is page miss. Sixth one, P2. So P2 is available inside the frame. Now check, this is blue color because it is inserted. So it is page hit. Now P4. Now again we have to check which one replaced by P4. So after P4, P5 is available, so we cannot replace P5. Next one is P3, so we cannot replace P3. So then after P2, so P4 replace P2. Now P2 is removed and P4 is inserted over here. Again it is page miss because P4 is not available, it is insert. Next is P5 and P5 is already available over here, so it is page hit. P3 is already available, it is called page hit. Next one P2. Now check in future P5 is available, again P2 is available, so you can remove P3 or P4. So here I have removed P4, so P2, P3, P5, so again it called page miss. Now P5 is already available, it is called page hit. Now P2 is already available, it is called page hit. Now count how many page miss is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 page miss. So total number of page fault is 6. So our answer is 6. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, Chirag Balodia. Press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you.